is a high-pressure, high-frequency pulse plasma blast rocket. Cover your eardrums. This is a design by Gene Watson. It is similar to a pulse detonation engine. It uses plasma pinch, and Gene Watson claims this rocket, plasma rocket, atmosphere, and vacuum environment space has the following features: highly reflective mirror, coring sandwich, and fused refractory transparent aluminum oxide, high brief pulse current arcs, heat B-field, plasma pinch, compressed plasma millions of degrees, 36 arcs. The sudden voltage drop to zero removes the B-field pinch, making all 36 plasma lines explode. The 10-to-1 hydrogen-rich mixture doesn't burn. It detonates with each plasma illumination. Not merely a high SP rocket. It's a high-pressure, high-frequency pulse plasma blast rocket. Cover your eardrums. So this rocket uses electricity in a mixture of gas, and it creates these little explosions when the plasma pinch drops to zero many times per second. And he claims this has high ISP burn, even greater than a chemical rocket in outer space. He states, snap effect trapped plasma gets slung by shutting off current flow, hence AC, high frequency polyphase. High speed polywave AC on off switching. High ISP specific impulse, superior to 10,000 second. How it works: B-field in arc heats and compresses 36 arcs. At 0 volt drop, all 36 arcs explode at each voltage drop square wave. 10-to-1 hydrogen-rich burn adds to energy released in each pulse blast. Repeated blasts happen many times a second. High power supply, high voltage, high frequency square wave DC pulses. Above arc potential, drops down to 0 volts. 36 long arcs caused by resistors power distribution simultaneously. High ohm resistors, a total of 36. O2 gas in, porous conductor electrical for H2 diffusion only. Burn with arc blast very fast pulses. Cavity and tube, O2 non-electrical conducting. Critical, no arcing to mirrored coating sandwich. Highly reflective mirror coring sandwich is fused refractory transparent aluminum oxide. Both compress and heats. Long arc. B-field plasma compression 36 arcs. At 0 volts, no B-field. The compressed plasma explodes. Boom. Experiment various polywave switching possibilities for uniform power applied to tips. High ohm power resistor in line. This motor is to discover polywave field snap plasma repulsion solar flare mimic applied to motor design. The UFO plasma motor for past 60-mile altitude. Inside cavity, highly reflective interior. AC coils 180-degree phase invert, high frequency. Rod protrusions, electrical power inputs. Soft iron electrically isolated rods. DC coil. All rod ends conducting porous tip gas diffuser. Arc plasma buildup with rod pole S south and tip negative. Plasma whip lash repulsion of plasma. During pole and polarity switching. Success plasma buildup with rod pole south and tip negative. Option oxygen input here, then close H2 holds. Non-oxidizing conducting. Porous tip refractory, non-conducting porous sleeve, prevents arcing in cavity. Propel H2 into cavity, exits through porous rod ends. Transparent fused aluminum oxide glass. Center rod, B-field, perimeter rod. Magnetic field around plasma arc compression. Force from arc line center. When any of these perimeter rods shut off, then bang. Compressed plasma expansion, hence high frequency AC used as in a lightning bolt. The loud bang you hear from a lightning bolt, but this would happen many times a second. To simplify this, it's basically electrical propulsion with a gas intermix, and when the plasma arc is turned off, it creates this whiplash or lightning strike type bang, but it happens many times per second for high specific impulse ISP thrust. It's a type of plasma pulse detonation engine in rapid succession. In space, the ISP specific impulse goes astronomical by reducing gas pressure, but reducing gas pressure reduces static thrust. To give the motor a name, it looks like a trumpet. B-field pinches the plasma in. Current flow instantly heats trapped plasma millions of degrees. Square wave drop releases the trapped plasma, and the whole volume blasts out the exit. In the illustrations, he gives mathematic equations. Our current flow heats H2 to millions of degrees. Ultraviolet illumination B-field pinch. 0 volts, B-field pinch vanishes. The trapped plasma explodes. Adjust frequency for optimum results. It works in Earth's atmosphere, sea level, and in space, vacuum.